don't feel nervous during that time. I just want to fix myself during that time, to fix myself, that the wounds will be, will be taken care of like that. But the people, but the person that I heard him saying, don't touch her, keep saying that, don't touch her, don't touch her. Wait the paramedic or the ambulance, wait the ambulance, wait the police, all of that. So the ambulance came first, and then the police went to the hospital, but I am not there yet. I just know later on. But anyway, so I was like, when the ambulance came, I keep on saying, do you have betadine, please, betadine. And then said, oh, ma'am, yes, ma'am, there's a betadine, but don't move.